Hello students, this is your computer class. It's a chapter number 6 and name of the chapter is Excel formulas and functions. This chapter is based on formulas and functions. Formulas are like equivalent to plus A1 plus A2 plus A3 like this, and the functions are like sum function, average function, minimum function, max function, today function like this. This one is the icon of the MS Excel. These are the learning objectives. First one is what are formulas. Second is rules to create formulas. Third is entering a formula. Fourth one is using AutoSum. Fifth one is copying formula. Sixth is sum function. And the last one is average function. Now, first objective is what are formulas? What is formula in MS Excel? MS means Microsoft Excel. A formula is an expression which calculates the value given in a cell. In this example, cell A5. This one is the cell A5. This is the active cell reference and this is the cell A5. Here the formula is, this one is the formula bar equivalent to A1 plus A2 plus A3. The value of A1 is 5, the value of A2 is 8, the value of A10, A3 is 10. So the total is 5 plus 8 plus 10 is equal to 23. So the formula is A5 is equivalent to A1 plus A2 plus A3. To create simple formulas in Excel, most of the time we will use cell addresses. These are the cell addresses. A1, A2, A3, these are the cell addresses. With mathematical operators are like this, plus sign, equal sign. This is known as making a cell reference. Now come to these cells. The formula automatically recalculates when the value of a reference cell is changed. Here the value of the cell A2 is changed from A8 to A20. So the value in A5 is 5 plus 20 plus 10, total the value is 35. Now next is the definition of formula. A formula is an expression telling the computer what mathematical operation to perform on a specific value. Next is rules to create formula. First rule is all formulas should begin with an equal sign. This is how cell knows that a cell entry is a formula, not a value. If you start with equal sign, this shows it's a formula. Next is the formula then includes the addresses of the cells like A1, this is the cell address, whose values will be manipulated with appropriate operands placed in between. Third one is formulas can contain any combination of values, references, operators and functions. Fourth one is formulas are not case sensitive, means you can type in capital letters or as well as small letters. It means that equivalent to capital letters A1 plus B1 plus C1 plus D1 or equivalent to small letters A1 plus B1 plus C1 and D1. The result of both these formulas are same. You can either use capital letters or you can use small letters. Next is entering formula. This is the table regarding runs scored by some players in the ODI series between India and England 2019. This is serial number, player name, first ODI, second ODI, third ODI, fourth ODI. This is total runs. This one is regarding average per ODI. Now, this is an example. It has data of the runs scored by some Indian players in an ODI series. We will calculate the total runs scored by each player. For this, you have to add the runs scored by individual player. This one total runs. This is for player name Shikhar Dhawan, and the cell address is G4. There are three ways to calculate the total runs. First one is cell referencing, second is using AutoSum, third one is using cell functions. Now first one is by using cell reference. These are the cell references like C4, D4, E4 and F4. These are the cell references. Now first method is by using cell references. Aim is to calculate total runs scored by individual player in total runs. This one is runs colon using references operator. These are the references operators. The simplest way of using a formula as done in this example is to calculate under the total runs field, that is G4. This one is the G4. G means colon and fourth is row. Now step 1 is go to cell G4. This one is cell G4 and step 2 is equivalent to C4. In the value C4 is 65 plus D4 value is 70 and in E4 the value is 15 and in F4 the value is 85 and then press enter, and in the second table it shows the total runs. The total runs is 235. Next one is by using AutoSum. You can use AutoSum button. This one is AutoSum button. It's a sigma sign on the home tab to automatically add a column or row of numbers when you press the AutoSum button. This one is AutoSum button, sigma sign. Excel selects the numbers it thinks you want to add. If you then click the check the marks on the formula bar or press the enter key, Excel adds the selected numbers. If the suggested cell range selected by Excel is not as per your requirement, select the cells of your choice. This one is the uh, file name Cricut MS Microsoft Excel. This is title bar. This one is menus, file, home, insert. This one is menu bar. And step 1 is here we are using sum function equivalent to sum C4 colon F4. Now step 1 is go to cell G4. G4 means column is G and row number is 4. Click the home tab. Step 3 is click the AutoSum button. AutoSum button, this one is the AutoSum button, sigma sign. In the editing group, Excel selects cells C4 through F4 and enters a formula in Excel G4. Now step 4 is press enter. Excel adds cells C4 through F4 means it calculates these four values C4 plus D4 plus E4 plus F4 and displays the result. Now you do not need to copy the formula in every cells like G5, G6, G7 and G8. You just copy the formula from G4 and paste it in the cell G5, G6, G7 and G8. Now come to a Excel sheet. Now here runs scored by some players. In the ODI series between India and England, 2019. These are the fields: serial number, player's name. Now here you can increase the width by dragging this one. This increases the width. By default the width is 8.43. Now see, the width is 12.71 and in pixel it is 94. You can increase the width. Next one is first ODI. Next is second ODI, third ODI, fourth ODI, total runs and average per ODI. Now you can increase the column width by dragging this one or by using format default width. Here the default width is 8.43. You can enter any value. Suppose I enter 15 value like this. So the default value is 15. You can increase and decrease by dragging this. First of all, set this heading. Drag the first row up to the cell number H and click on merge and center. And then select second one up to H colon and then click on merge and center. Now you can select any font. Change the size. You can also change the color of the font. This is regarding font color. Font color means change the color of your text. Now this is regarding background. Fill color means color the background of cells for to make them stand out like this. You can choose any color. Runs code. By some players in the ODI series between India and England 2019. This is the heading. Now you can also change the color of this serial number, player's name, only background color. You can change text color also. You can increase the row height. Bold. Font is Arial. And the size is 12. Now serial number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Here the player's name. First one is Shikhar Dhawan. Second one is KL Rahul. Fourth one is Virat Kohli. Third one is Virat Kohli. Fourth one is Rohit Sharma. And fifth one is Rishabh Pant. Now score in first ODI, you can enter any values. Now see in total runs, here we can use three methods. First one is by using cell reference. Cell reference is like references of the cell equivalent to C4. Value in C4 is 45, then D4 56, then E4, and the last one is F4. This one is the total. You can also change it into a border. Select these cells and click on borders and select all borders. You can also change the font. Now the total is 245. If you suppose here you enter the value 65, the total runs will automatically recalculate. If I type 65 here, the total is automatically changed. Now you can drag this one formula and copy to another cells. If you type any value, the total runs comes automatically. Suppose I change the value here 77 to 87, so the total is changed. So this one is the table regarding ODI series. It's a first method by using cell reference. Second method is by using AutoSum. This one is the AutoSum button. This is a sigma sign. First click on G4 and then click on AutoSum. Here it shows sum equivalent to sum C4 colon F4. Then press enter. It's calculate the total runs. This is the formula equivalent to this is the function. It shows in a formula bar equivalent to some function C4 colon F4. Now you copy this formula to other cells by dragging. This method is autofill feature. Now like that you can calculate the average. To calculate the average, divide the first one is G4. It's a total. Divide by 4 because total there are 4 ODI series. So the formula is plus G4 divided by 4. This one is the average. Drag it, copy and paste like this. Suppose if you changes any value, here I changes value 66 to 86. So the total as well as average will be changes like this. You can calculate the average in 2 decimal. This one is for increased decimal. This one is for decreased decimal like this. So I hope you clear this lecture.